video, I'll show you how to change your browser or default browser into desktop version or mobile version to desktop version. So for example, yung browser mo is Chrome or Safari, and then if you wanted to like desktop version, so go to, for example, Safari, and then if you want to switch it into, so this one right now, this is on mobile version, and if you want to like desktop version, so upper left side of the screen you can hit the two A's, right? And then this right now desktop or request desktop website, so tap on it. So there you go, so you're on a desktop version right now. And then if you're going to go to YouTube, there you go, so you're on a desktop version right now. And if you want to switch it back, just hit the two A's again. So that's it. And using Android phone, so if you want to switch your mobile version browser to a desktop version, so just click Chrome, right? And then upper right side, do you see the three dots? So tap on it, and then down here you will see desktop version, so tap on it. There you go, and then you can now like search YouTube. There you go, so you're on check, see, naka desktop version na siya. So that's it lang. And then if you want to go back to a mobile version, just uncheck it. That's it. So I hope it will help on how to switch mobile version browser to a desktop version browser.